Hey guys, I'm back again with a voiceover. It's been a minute since I did a voiceover, but anyway, so basically this is the new method that I've been using. If you watch my half green, half black hair install, you would know that I started using my actual lace glue to put my bald cap like down, because I noticed with the Got To Be glue spray that the sides where the ear's supposed to where the side where the cap is supposed to lay flat by the ear rises up, like it always rises up, but with this method it doesn't rise up, and on top of that the cap stays under the wig for a very long time, depending on how many layers you use, but I usually only use one. So here, that's what you see me doing, and now I'm gonna stop babbling. You guys have fun watching. Right here, you guys are going to see me cut off the excess cap, but towards the end of this clip, you're going to see that I have extra leftover hanging, and I left that there because I knew if I cut it off that the ball cap would be too close to my hair, and I didn't want glue all in my hairline, so I left those parts there and just glued them down before I put the wig on. You guys will see that process too. Guys, before I even did this video, I made sure to tint my lace before doing this process you see now, but I didn't want to finish my tint, so I didn't use all of it to make it dark enough. So what I'm going in right now is with the Ruby Kiss stuff. And I'm using the darker side. I think it's level 14 or 15. I'm using the darker side to make it my skin color. This is the part where I was talking about where you see the excess cap that I didn't cut off. I'm going to use this first layer of glue to lay those parts down. So basically that's what I started doing now. It's like when I have excess cap that I don't want to cut off, I just glue it down with my glue, because either way it's going to be glued down. So this is just what I do. As always, I'm always going to use 2 layers because I don't really keep my wigs in for that long. Because girl, these things be itching my head, girl, and plus, like, it's just too uncomfortable to have a wig in my head for too long. So I only use 2 layers. And as you guys know or should know by now, I always do it in sections. The middle, and then one side, and then the other side. Period. Y'all, right here I'm about to cut the excess lace, you see, right? Y'all, later, like in a couple seconds, y'all gonna see me do a big mistake. Like I accidentally made what's it called? I don't know if I should call it a widow's peak because it doesn't really look like one. But y'all, I made a big mistake by cutting too much off towards the middle. Y'all are gonna see, and I look so funny. And it looks really funny and goofy, but in the end it worked out. you wouldn't even know it was messed up because we all have different hairlines. But it's just really funny. I made a big mistake by cutting off too much, but either way, I mean, it looked good in the end. Like you wouldn't even notice in the end that it was a mistake.
So guys, I forgot to record an outro. Well, I did record an outro, but my microphone wasn't on, so it wasn't like, there was no noise. So this is my outro and this is the install. I was gonna do that little you know, that little bangy look, but I think I'm gonna do that for like another video, maybe for my Skims haul, my mini Skims haul, because Skims is expensive, y'all. But this is she, this is me. I'm about to film another video right now. That's why you see me all dressed up and stuff. So y'all see once it's coming. But yes, this is the hair, and this is the wig that I did the T18 toner on. It's in one of my videos anyway. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you.